In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Binance wallet using the P2P platform. So once you open the platform, the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that the money that you want to withdraw is in your funding wallet and not your sports wallet. In my case right now, the money I want to withdraw is in my sports wallet. So I have to move it to my funding wallet. Now, how do I move it? To move it, you quickly tap on transfer. Once you come here, you see from spot wallet to funding wallet. So I have to go ahead and enter the amount over here. In this case, I'm going to enter everything. So I just tap on the maximum over here. Once that is done, I'll tap on confirm transfer. I'll wait for it. Good, transfer successful. I'll go to my funding wallet. The money has appeared over here right now. So once the money is in my wallet right now, my funding wallet right now, the next thing that I have to do is to come back to the home page. At the home page, I'll tap on the icon at the top over here. Now this will bring down this menu for me. Over here, quickly locate P2P and just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to the P2P platform over here. Once we are here, you can see options over here. But what you want to make sure you are doing is that this sell button, you should probably tap on it like this. Okay, it shouldn't be on buy, it should be on sell, because you want to sell and withdraw the money to either your Momo wallet or whatsoever mean that you are using. So in my case, I have to make sure it's on sell. So from here, I'll have to look through the adverts that have been placed over here, the one that is convenient for me, then I go by it. But one thing that I'll highly advise you do is go and trade with people with what? Verification. Those who have been verified on a platform. Example, this guy, those have the verification mark, that's the yellow or golden verification mark. Probably trade with them, you feel more secured. If you are starting out with P2P, I highly advise you go with the verified individuals on a platform, right? So let's say I am interested in trading with anyone. Let me go through. Actually, I'm interested in something with a little bit higher rate than 12.21. Let me see if I can get a fair value like 12.22. But my money that I want to withdraw is very small, so it might not be able to go there. So I'm looking through to see if I'll find someone that is okay for me to trade with. Obviously, there's no one with a good rate. Let me show you something before you go get yourself scammed. Right, you can see the rate over here. This rate is too high for me. And look at the number of trades that the person is having. Only 8 trades. And even the completion rate of the person is 72.80%. Very, very kind of bad, right? Only 8 trades. And look at over here. If you don't know and you want to follow higher rates, you are likely to get yourself scammed. And this over here too, the one over here too, only 2 trades and the completion rate is 22 point. No, that's very, very bad, right? So let me just ignore those trades and let me go with 12.21. So for the 12.21, I'll probably go with someone who has been verified. Okay, so in this case, I'm using the first guy over here. Unfortunately, I cannot use it because the amount I want to withdraw is less than 4,000. His limit is from 4,000 to 100,000, and my money is pretty much less than that. Okay, so let's look for someone who has a verification badge and still within my limit. Okay, this guy over here is within my limit, but the problem is I'm not using Vodafone Cash, I'm using mobile money. So I'll probably have to ignore that one as well. And over here too, he is using mobile money, but my money is still less than 1,000 Ghana cedis, so I still cannot go with him. Okay, then here come Rahman. For this one, my money is within the limit, so I'm going to go with him. So I'll tap on sell. He's having MTN mobile money, so I'm going to tap on sell over here. Once I tap on sell, a page will open up like this. Once it opens up, I'm going to enter everything. Okay, first off, I have to read his terms and conditions before I even proceed. He says subscribers only. agents and merchants should kindly stay away from this ad. I don't pay agents and merchants numbers. Abide by this and let's have a smooth transaction. Sure your details are correct because I won't be liable for any loser of asset due to your own negligence, right? Okay, good. What I'm going to do right over here is I'm going to enter everything. Okay, that's $80.9. That's the amount I'm going to enter asset. So I'm going to select the payment method. I'm going to go with this one, the MTN over here, Amuzu Godsway. And over here, I'm going to proceed and tap on sell USDT. All right, good. There's a chat over here. I'm going to open the chat right away. My subscribers leave a positive feedback if you're satisfied. By the way, what's the name on your Momo? Okay, good. I'm going to give him my name, Amuzu Godsway. That's a name on my Momo, so I just send the name to him. Good, so the amount has been received into my wallet. Good, so that is it, and the amount indicated over here is 987. I think that's pretty much okay. Good, I need to confirm that myself as well. All right, as it is showing over there, that means it has come. Right, so I'm going to release the asset right now. I'm going to go back. All right, so when I come to my pending orders over here, there is a notification for me to release the asset. So I'm going to go here, then I'll come and confirm that I've received the payment, okay, over here. But let me cross check again. There's one thing I want to cross check. Alpha Motion Enterprise and buyer's name so. Okay, now I'm going to say payment received. I have to check this over here. I've received and verified the payment, so I can confirm release. So I'm going to tap on confirm release, and that is going to be it. All right, so I need to bypass some security, or not even bypass. I need to make sure that the platform trusts me. I need to verify myself, okay, to release the asset. All right, I'm not going to provide feedback or anything like that. So that is it. I'm done with the transaction, and that is how you can also sell your assets on Binance using the P2P platform. It's as simple as that. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Right, don't forget to share this video with others as well, as it might help them.